A quick breakfast is definitely a get through the work week essential. Today I'm just having like a cinnamon muffin, which is by the Market Side brand at Walmart, and I've prepared myself some coffee. You guys, I cannot stress enough the importance of trying to eat something for breakfast. It doesn't have to be a big, production, but it can be. Some days I do want bacon and eggs and hash browns and things like that. But if nothing else, just give your body, some type of fuel to work with. So eat breakfast. This right here, you guys, this right here, this is what we call a get through the week essential. I gotta always keep me a 5-hour energy on deck because I never know when I'm gonna have a crappy night of sleep and I'm gonna need this to come through and save me to get through the workday. But yeah, this is just a 5-hour energy, and this is one of the things that I feel like are a get through the week essential. I really like drinking Gatorade, but sometimes it's just hard to get to the store and pick up those like packs of Gatorade. So another work week essential are like these little, packs of Gatorade powder. They come in fruit punch, lemon, lime, and orange. I usually order them off Amazon, and you just simply tear this perforated line, and then you just pour them into a bottle of water. But it gives me a nice alternative to coffee, soda, and sugary juice. So this is definitely a work week essential for me when I'm trying to cut down on the amount of sugar that I am consuming. I poured the Gatorade powder into my bottle of water and shook it up off camera. So this is what it looks like, a beautiful red drink. And when I tell you guys it tastes just like the Gatorade in the bottle, it does. So this is definitely the way to go to stay hydrated. But if you want a water alternative, and again, not soda or like super sugary juice. Water. This is definitely a must-have get through the work week essential. Nothing's worse than being at your desk and like you're parched or you're thirsty if you talk on the phone a lot. So always keep you some water at your desk because I feel like if it's there, you're going to drink it. You're going to like stay hydrated and, it's just going to be better for you. This is a Tervis mug. I do recommend these because they keep hot drinks hot and cool or cold drinks cold. Or if it's room temperature, it kind of keeps it right there in the middle. But yeah, this is a Tervis mug, and I ordered some stainless steel straws. But definitely keep water at your desk, like hands down, like a must do. I pulled these items out. I normally keep these items in this little clear case here, but yeah, I have to keep chapstick at my desk. This is the EOS brand. EOS. Yeah, this is the EOS brand. But keep chapstick at your desk because, again, just like the water, if you stay hydrated and you keep your lips moisturized, you just feel better. You feel like you're, practicing self-care. So I usually keep this here on my desk, and to be honest, I have a few different options here. I have this by the brand Cleabe, CLEABE, and it's like a strawberry lip balm. And then I also keep some soft lips here. So I just keep a variety, but long story short, I keep my lips moisturized. Before I forget, also hand lotion, preferably a pump. But yeah, after you wash your hands, like from break or lunch, you come back to your desk, it's just, again, it feels really good to have a good hand lotion or hand and body cream to moisturize your hands. If you wear glasses, or even if you wear like transitional lens, like glasses, keep you some lens wipes, because again, just keeping your glasses clean, you won't know how much better you feel until you clean your glasses and you're like, ooh, I feel like, I'm taking care of things and handling business. So a glasses cleaning wipe is also highly recommended as a work week essential. I'll put this here. Not this specifically every week because it does change, but just keep like a snack at your desk. Because sometimes you can like really be working and you don't eat. But if you just keep a simple, hearty, healthy snack at your desk, then that'll be something you can always, just eat, really quickly just to give your body some type of nourishment. Peanut butter is good. It's a good source of protein. And it obviously doesn't require any cooking. You just open the pack and you're ready to go. I'm going to put that back over there as well. And lastly, also the contents of this little container do change. But what I do is I keep, some type of gum and a cough drop or mint always at my desk in case like my throat gets dry. I'll have like a cough drop. I did have a mint in there, but I needed to use it today, so I'll replenish it. But I try to keep a cough drop, a mint, some pieces of gum, and I always do try to keep like some small candy or something like that at my desk as well. Like if I'm starting to feel tired, but I have like, 12 to 15 minutes to go before lunch or a break, I'll have something, to snack on and, keep me from falling asleep at my desk until it's time for break. So yeah, those are also things I definitely do recommend as our work week essentials. I also recommend always keeping like a pack of tissue, or if you don't have an individual pack of tissue, just roll off a little tissue from a roll, fold it neatly on your desk and roll it away and just keep it. If you have, any type of little tray, like catch-all tray or something like this, keep tissue on your desk. The worst thing ever is if your nose keeps running and you need to blow your nose and you don't have tissue at your desk. And again, like you're in a phone queue and it's hard for you to get up, without messing up adherence. Always keep you some tissue at your desk. That's definitely another essential. These are 2 like daily devotional or encouragement type books I have at my desk. You don't actually need these specific ones, but I do want to recommend always, I am a believer. I believe in God. So I'm not religious, but I am spiritual, and I am, again, a believer and a follower of Jesus Christ. So I definitely want to recommend, if you want to have encouraging words, keep some type of inspirational books at your desk, because if they're there, you'll refer to them and you'll, look at them and be encouraged in the Lord. And that's always good, to help get through your work week. Here I have The Secret Power of Speaking God's Word by Joyce Meyer. And then I have this Sweet and Simple Moments with God. And this is by the author Kim Newland. So I do refer to these multiple times throughout the week. Sometimes I do skip a day or I miss a day if I'm extremely busy. But again, having these on my desk just helps keep me grounded and gives me, moments that I spend with God throughout the day. And that does keep me encouraged and help me to get through my work day, especially when things get frustrated. So I would encourage you to do the same. And, keep something that will keep you encouraged throughout the day on your desk so it's readily available and you can reach for it when you need it. Or even if you don't need it and you just want to be proactive and have time with God.